Imagine posting your next project and watching the comments blow up with, what camera did you use? Did you use a filter? Did you shoot on film? What's your secret? Well, here's the twist. It wasn't the camera. It was this CineDream. Today, after 2 years of building and over a decade of dreaming, it's finally here. Hey, it's Denver Riddle. If you've been following me, you know that I've been teasing the next thing since Cinema Grade. Well, we've had our setbacks, we've had to pivot, and we've done some complete rewrites along the way. But through it all, one thing never changed. Creators like you want the dream film look. Not another LUT pack, not another DCTL or power grade with a confusing node tree, but something that actually works and just hits differently straight out of the box. That's what CineDream is. It's results, not just ingredients, but the recipe. And before I show you how to get it, let's talk about why this moment matters. In my first video, we uncovered the secret hiding in plain sight in Hollywood. And that is that they're going back to film. Not for the nostalgia or the extra expense, but because film doesn't just capture reality accurately, it transforms it into something that looks better. Then I showed you CineDream's 5 unfair advantages with an instant film foundation, our patented click and grade technology, effortless batch copying and shot matching, real-time LUT previews with separate Luma and color mixers, and film effects that other plugins charge hundreds of dollars for. And finally, we put it to the test. We challenged a first-year filmmaker using CineDream against a pro colorist, and the beginner beat the pro in one of the 3 grading challenges. It wasn't just luck, it was proof that the right tool can shortcut years of training. That with CineDream, even a beginner can unlock results that look like they came from a movie. And today, it's your turn. CineDream is the next chapter in color grading. It brings the Hollywood color pipeline directly into your projects across all your software for Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, even on standalone images that are JPEG, PNG, or TIFF, and for both Mac and Windows. All supported in one plan, in one tool. And here's where it gets interesting. You get to choose how you want to own it. So here's how you can get CineDream. There are 2 paths, and you get to choose the one that fits you best. Let's start with option 1, an annual subscription. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, just another subscription. But here's the difference. This isn't just a payment plan. This is what keeps CineDream alive and improving for you. In our recent survey, you told me what matters most. You want day 1 compatibility when Apple or Adobe pushes updates that breaks things. You want not just bug fixes, but entirely new features that improve your workflow. You want fresh LUTs, film looks, and presets to keep your work inspired. And real support from people who actually know the product. That's what a subscription delivers. Continuous improvement, instant compatibility and fixes, and real support when you need it. This way, CineDream never falls behind and you're never stuck mid-project. And here's the key, you're not locked in. You can pause or cancel at any time, and thanks to our project access guarantee, you'll always be able to open and export your old projects with a read-only license. It's the peace of mind you get for just $99 a year. I mean, that's less than many highfalutin power grades and LUT packs or a standard Netflix subscription. Then we have option 2, a perpetual hybrid license. I've listened, and many of you prefer to buy once and own it forever. That's why we created this sustainable path forward. For a one-time payment of $249, you own CineDream forever. And to make sure you're covered, it includes 30 months of free updates and support. After that, you can choose whether to extend support for another year for a nominal fee. If not, no problem. CineDream keeps working as it is with features you already have. This is the perfect option if you want to buy once, lock it in, and then decide later if you want new features or compatibility fixes. Now let's talk about launch pricing, because if you've been with me since Cinema Grade, I want to reward your loyalty. So here's how the launch pricing works. For Cinema Grade owners, the subscription is discounted to $69 for your first year, and then the regular $99 thereafter. For the Perpetual, it's $174 or 30% off the regular $249 price. And for everyone else who's been following along, during our launch window, the subscription is discounted to $84 for your first year, then the regular $99 thereafter. And the Perpetual is discounted to $211 or 15% off. All plans include support for Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, and standalone images on both Mac and Windows. And one more thing, the first 100 people who grab the Perpetual license will become founding members. As a founding member, you get free updates for life, beta access to new features before anyone else, direct input on development, and permanent recognition inside of CineDream. This is a one-time only opportunity, and when those 100 spots are gone, they're gone forever. And just so you feel totally confident, CineDream comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it on your footage. If you don't love how it looks or it doesn't work in your workflow, just send us an email. No hoops to jump through, no hard feelings. Either you get the dream film look you're after, or you get your money back. It's as simple as that. And if you've ever worked with us before, you already know we always honor our guarantees, always. This special launch window is open right now and closes next Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. After that, CineDream goes to the regular pricing of $99 for the annual and $249 for the Perpetual. So if you've been waiting to get this, now is your moment. To get the Cinema Grade Owner discount, check your email for your exclusive link to access the best early adopter pricing. And for everyone else who's been following along, click the link below this video for your special launch discount. This is your chance to punch above your weight, get the dream film look you've been chasing, and join the next chapter in color grading. I cannot wait to see what you create with CineDream.